Ever wonder why your hair suddenly stands up right before a storm? That's your body turning into a literal lightning detector. When a storm builds overhead, the air gets packed with electric charge. The ground becomes super positive, the clouds become super negative, and you're stuck in the middle like a human antenna. Your hair lifts because the electric field around you becomes so strong it starts pushing each strand apart. If your hair ever rises completely on end, that means lightning is about to strike dangerously close.